Hi viewers, welcome back. I come up with another video and today's video is about the skid steel loader of the Bobcat. Here you can see this warning is coming. When this warning is appeared, this skid steel loader is automatically shut down. Okay, so I'm going to check if any code is coming. So I will diagnose that code first. So you can see this code is M0515 is coming. And first I check the description of this code, then after it I will try to diagnose it. The description of the code is given that is a M0151 M series loader. So description is that hydraulic charge pressure shutdown. So here according to the our code, we will check this one is, you can see this one is our hydraulic charge pressure sensor. So first we check its circuit, check the harness. If the harness is okay, then we will change. So here you can hear the hydraulic filter is our hydraulic charge pressure sensor. So first I'm going to check its harness. Okay, if harness okay, then we will try to change the hydraulic charge pressure sensor. So I checked it. The harness is good. Harness has no problem. Harness does not break from the any place. So now we are going to change the hydraulic pressure sensor, charge pressure sensor. So here's now I am going to remove this hydraulic charge pressure sensor. So I will remove it. I have a new sensor with me. So I will try to change it. After changing it, then I will operate the machine and then check the condition. My machine is okay or not. So I have removed the sensor. Okay. So this one is my new hydraulic charge pressure sensor. So I'm going to fix this one. Fixing the new hydraulic charge pressure sensor. Okay, after fixing it, then after I will test my machine. I have tied the hydraulic pressure sensor back. So now I am going to clean this connector. After cleaning it, I also connect this connector back. Okay, so to also keep in mind these connectors should be clean before fixing back. So you can see I have fixed back this connector, and also I fixed the new hydraulic charge pressure sensor. So now I'm going to start the machine, and first I check the its code. Okay, so now I'm going to check the code. I am on the machine and going to check machine. So there you can see is written none. So code has finished. Now this time is not any code is coming. This you can see is in none. None means not any code. Now I'm going to test my machines. I test it for almost 30 minutes. So viewers, we are operating this machine for 30 minutes but not found any problem. So it's mean our problem has solved. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.